Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my sister and Natera with me.
Hello.
And we are going to do the Bird Box Challenge, but the natural hair edition.
Okay.
So we're going to blindfold ourselves and do a high puff and lay our edges. Alright, we got all of our products on the table. You can't really see it, but you know we got the Eco Styler gel, the edge control, our brushes, our spray bottles. We got it all. But will we be able to see it? No. But I'm gonna quit talking and get right into the video. And so now let's blindfold.
Oh my gosh. Well, Rice is about to be weak. Y'all niggas ready?
Hello.
See who's the best, but it's not a race. I gotta take my time.
I ain't trying to spray myself in the face. Alright.
This is so dead.
Oh, so you just sprayed me.
That was
Wait, my bad.
My blindfold is low key coming off, but I can't see.
Fix it.
I can't see anything. It's just sliding so I have to hold my
That's what they all say.
Oh, my brush. Alright. Oh, wait, I need my gel.
This is so funny.
That's just a Bird Box challenge.
It's a little harder than I thought.
Right.
Alright.
I need
I can't find my thing. Here you go. So a quick hair tip. Cut a pantyhose and put your high puffs up.
Yes. I use shoelace.
Or a shoelace.
You probably didn't even get it out here.
Wow. Marley, you see it?
Don't be
That's
cheating.
Where my shoelace at? I had it on my neck, I thought. Is it even out here? I don't see a shoelace.
Jesus. You better phone a friend.
Right.
Is it black?
Yes.
There it is.
Thank
I'm gonna
you.
leave it right here.
I was like, I swear I had it out here. Thanks.
Alright, it's time me to lay my edges.
Oh, y'all on them steps.
I do my edges first,
Okay.
and then I go back.
I'll do my puff first. I hope it look right. Alright.
A lot
To
started.
these edges or whatever. If I can find my toothbrush. That ain't it.
I just gotta get it slick all the way around first,
Drop this
then
stuff.
it can be tied up.
Here we go. Here we go. Alright. My spray bottle. Okay.
Marisa, how we looking?
Y'all look cute.
I bet. Say no more.
Edges on fleek. That's good.
Time to lay my edges. No,
You just
still
said
up.
time to lay my edges 3 times.
I'm for real this time. Alright.
Oh, did my edges now.
I'm for real on my edges now.
Concentrate really
I don't like this.
I need to stand up, because I stand up and put my head down whenever I tie it up.
I need some more gel. I ain't getting nobody gel on this.
That's not
thing.
my brush.
I'm just trying to get this tied.
Today you ain't got no room.
Say what?
You ain't got no room. To
I
I
really
really
don't.
don't. I moved up a little bit. Okay.
Okay, let's see here.
I already know my edges is not it. This ain't it at all.
I'm mad because I feel like this is trash. Oh my
We
god.
thought we had this.
I was like, oh yeah, I can do my edges in my sleep.
Right, what you mean? Psych.
All right. Thought.
feel like my hair is so blown out that it looks crazy right now.
Bruh.
Y'all are definitely not giving yourselves credit.
Oh. Say no more. Say no more. Alright, I'm done. I'm waiting on the material now.
We know.
Now I'm mad.
I'm done.
Oh wait,
Alright.
I'm not.
Girl.
You're not done.
No, I had to redo because y'all was taking too long.
Wow.
Redo what?
That's what I'm kind of trying to figure out.
That's it. Put your stuff down. We done.
Right.
Are you done?
Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh.
I'm about to do this.
I am doing
Jadeja.
it. Oh my gosh, bruh. You have one job.
And
It's gonna
my
have to
fault,
be
not
edited
comfortable.
out.
Well, yeah.
Wait, I mean, that's not my gel.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that is not comfortable, ma.
Bruh, put your stuff down. We
Okay,
done.
okay.
I'm
I
done.
think
I'm
we
done. I'm
good.
done.
All right, y'all ready?
No worries.
Yes.
All right, take your blindfolds off.
I'm so good. Mine is cooking. Yo, let's reevaluate.
I gotta adjust my eyes.
Well, I definitely didn't win.
All right,
Wow.
we gonna let Jadeja go first. She lopsided.
Okay, well, I could have been
She
straight.
had an elbow room.
Hold on, I still can't see. Let me
Otherwise,
fix myself.
my edge is not really that laid.
I mean, you had this. Look, y'all. She had the swoop going. She had,
You know
she
how
had
you
a-
know where your swoop go.
Right, you know. I got
She ain't
my
know where that
glasses
puff
on.
go down.
Okay, but my color
Alright.
add to it.
Okay. So,
You got your
Okay.
puff like
It looks
in order.
moisturized.
I moisturized with some water and laid with some Lotto Body. Okay,
Okay,
it's
okay,
not
okay,
terrible.
You did that. You did your thing.
What I be looking?
All right. So
what you
my
got.
puff is good.
Definition.
My edges,
Shine.
still curly up here. I ain't really laid that part good. Like I feel like I missed this whole part.
We
this
did
whole
better than I
swoop.
thought. Well,
Yeah.
y'all did better than I thought. My
Yeah,
puff was all the way
this-
crooked.
This ain't supposed to be like this. No.
Alright.
Your puff is like,
I think it's because you had no elbow room because you couldn't be like.
Exactly.
You good.
bro, you took extra time and still.
It probably got messed up whenever I took extra time.
I need shine like Jayla got shine.
Alright.
Look at that.
I need to use some new products I got.
You say
Comment below and let me know who won. And I hope y'all enjoyed this Bird Box challenge. If y'all do some natural hair Bird Box challenges, let me know so I can watch it. What are you doing?
Okay.
And I will see y'all
language.
on my next video. Bye.